What is Dataiku? Dataiku is a powerful platform designed to simplify and accelerate the process of building, deploying, and managing data science and machine learning models. It's not just for data scientists, it's built for collaboration between technical experts and business professionals, enabling entire teams to work together on data-driven projects. What makes Dataiku unique? 1. User-friendly interface. Dataiku is known for its intuitive visual interface that makes it accessible to users with different skill levels. For example, business analysts can use drag-and-drop features to build workflows, while experienced data scientists can write and integrate custom code in Python, R, or SQL. This flexibility allows organizations to democratize data science. 2. End-to-end functionality. The platform covers the entire data lifecycle, from cleaning and preparing raw data to training machine learning models and deploying them in production. This end-to-end capability eliminates the need for switching between multiple tools. 3. Collaboration and governance. One of Dataiku's standout features is its focus on collaboration. Multiple team members, whether technical or non-technical, can contribute to a project seamlessly. Additionally, it includes strong governance features like version control, documentation, and security protocols to ensure transparency and compliance. 4. Automation and efficiency. With automation tools like AutoML, automated machine learning, Dataiku can speed up repetitive tasks such as feature selection and hyperparameter tuning. This allows data scientists to focus on more complex and strategic challenges. 5. Scalability. Dataiku is built to handle both small and large-scale data projects. It can integrate with various data sources, from spreadsheets to big data platforms, and supports deployment in cloud, hybrid, or on-premise environments. Why is Dataiku growing in popularity? Dataiku is thriving because it meets the growing demand for data democratization. Companies need tools that empower a wider range of employees to engage with data, not just specialized data scientists. This collaboration leads to faster, more impactful decision-making. Additionally, its ability to streamline the development and deployment of machine learning models aligns perfectly with organizations aiming to scale their AI efforts while maintaining efficiency and governance. Who uses Dataiku? Dataiku is used across industries, from retail and finance to healthcare and manufacturing. It's a favorite for teams looking to operationalize AI and data science at scale. By breaking down silos and enabling collaboration, Dataiku helps companies derive value from their data faster and more effectively. In summary, Dataiku is a comprehensive, user-friendly platform that empowers organizations to turn raw data into actionable insights, making it an essential tool for modern data-driven enterprises.